Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Focus, then Do Not Disturb. This is where control lives. Once done, toggle Do Not Disturb on to Silence Alerts now, or set a schedule for later. Make sure to pick who can break through calls, favorites, contacts, or no one. You can also allow repeated calls so urgent calls ring if the same person calls within 3 minutes. This first step gets you into the mode and defines the basic exceptions. Next, customize what slips past Do Not Disturb and why. You tap People to allow calls or messages from selected contacts, and you tap Apps to permit critical app alerts, like navigation or health apps, while blocking everything else. Once done, enable Focus Status so apps show you're silenced, and adjust home screen options to hide notification badges or show specific pages. Make sure to test one app and one contact to confirm the behavior before relying on it. Finally, automate and verify so Do Not Disturb works without thinking. You can set a schedule, use location triggers, or start DND when a specific app opens. Smart activation helps iOS decide automatically. Once done, make sure Share Across Devices is configured if you want DND synced. If Do Not Disturb doesn't apply, check Silence settings, restart your iPhone, and ensure iOS is updated. If problems persist, delete and recreate the Focus profile to clear any misconfigurations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.